Hello guys, did you know the Makita Brushless impact driver has a quick toggle motion? Basically what it means is it has this button up here, and when pressed, let's see if I can get it in camera here, so I have to use my left hand. When pressed, you can toggle between two favorite settings. Now, if I choose a different setting here, it will choose between these. So every last setting you choose, it will choose between that and what you have set as favorite. You see a green light here? Focus. That's because it's set as a favorite. Now, the way to do this, I'll reset it for you here first. Okay, reset. This is the default mode. So when I press up here, it would just toggle the speed. So this is how it comes out of the box, and most people might think, oh, weird, it doesn't go up here. It would be a lot to scroll through, right? But to choose a favorite setting, oh, I wish I had longer arms. To choose a favorite setting, you can just choose a speed setting which will be your favorite. So you choose a preferred speed, then you press and hold up here while, so I press and hold here, and then I press and hold here, and you saw it blink green. So now speed 3 is set as my favorite. So if I go over to blue again, the blue side, I choose, for instance, T2. When I press up here, straight back to speed 3. Once again, straight back to T2. So that's how you make the quick toggle very handy for certain situations. To reset, press and hold up here. Hold and press the lamp button and hold until it flashes. Back to normal. Good luck, guys.